Good morning, friends, and happy Saturday. Brian and I went to Walmart this morning to pick up a few items that we needed just for the weekend. We are going to be having a Memorial Day party on Monday next door at our neighbor's house, so we had to pick up a few items that we are going to need. And then since both of us are leaving on Tuesday, we did not need a bunch of groceries. So basically everything is for the weekend. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. We got some bacon cheddar patties. This probably might be maybe our dinner tonight or dinner tomorrow, or we might take these ones over for Monday for the meat. And then there's some more hamburger meat for the party. I picked up some Philadelphia cream cheese because I'm going to be making a veggie pizza for a side item. Got some butter because we were out. This is part of my other cucumber and tomato salad that I'm going to be making. Brian needed a new toothbrush. I got some Grand's croissants for my pizza, my veggie pizza that I'm going to make. I got some orange juice. Got some organic milk. Cucumbers for my pizza that I'm going to make. Red peppers for the pizza that I'm going to make. We got some tender bites because we love eating these. Got some Head and Shoulders for Brian. Got some lemons so I could take some of these with me on my trip. Got some buns for the burgers. I got some tortellini noodles for my tomato and cucumber salad. I picked up some broccoli for my veggie pizza. Got some deodorant for Brian Kadow because he was about out. I picked up 3 more of my chocolate and caramel wafers because I'm addicted and I love them so much. And I got some blackberries because Brian loves them. And that is all that we got from Walmart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Angie Wonderland. Bye.